This is all you'll need. 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, 4 eggs, and 6 tablespoons of tahini. If you want to sweeten up the bread, you can use 1 teaspoon of anything sweet, or 2 teaspoons, of anything sweet, and then you can have a sweet bread if you want. So let's get started. So my mom's already measured out 6 scoops tahini, so let's put it in. Then you add 4 eggs. Oh my goodness! It fell off the table.
Go quickly grab another egg and we'll chuck another one in.
1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. I'm gonna add the honey because I love it sweet. But
Wow.
you don't have to, so you can make it fuzzy. We're actually using coconut nectar. So let me put some in. Use a teaspoon of bicarb soda. Make sure you preheat your oven to 108. Look at. What is I don't Now you've got to stir. Make sure you get all the lumps out. If you want, you can blend it in a blender. The stirring is hard work. Not really yet. Hey, don't you dare eat that. Don't you dare eat that. It's raw. It's yucky. Get rid of all the chunks. Pour it into a small bread pan. Delicious. Now let's put it in the oven. Now you've got to bake it to 20 or 30 minutes. Done. Delicious. Now it's time to get it out of the oven. I'm hungry. Wait, it's not. It looks very, very hot. When you preheat it, make sure you're careful. Now you take the paper out and put it onto a cutting board. This is very hot, it burnt my fingers. Now we're going to cut it and eat it. You can put toppings on it, like honey or all this yummy stuff.
Avocado.
Yeah, avocado, or you can get almond butter. Almond butter, if you've got almond butter, you can put it on your bread. So let me put it cooking. Oh. Now let's cut it, because I'm hungry. I can't wait any longer. Let's eat, because I'm not waiting any longer. But make sure you be careful with knives. They're very sharp.
Have a bite, Morgie. Yell out to the boys and let them know it's ready.
I'll go get my brother.